Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to use pencil, or let's say, how you should handle pencil while drawing. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so you already know how to use pencil, but it's different when you use pencil for drawing instead of writing. Okay, so while writing, you just write. Let's say, okay, you're not conscious about how you're handling, how you're using, especially you're not concerned about the pressure you're applying with your pencil. Okay, but while drawing, it's different. Okay, let's say you're drawing a line. Okay, you're drawing it straight and you're applying similar pressure throughout the line. But let's say look at this. This is a bit different from the first line. Okay, see again? You can notice the pressure applied while starting the line was different from it's different from the pressure which ended the line. Okay, that's the thing. So let's apply this thing on an actual drawing. Let's say you're going to draw an eye. Okay, so right now I'm applying the same pressure, similar pressure, okay, throughout the drawing. Okay, let's say. So this is how it looks while you use pressure evenly throughout the drawing. But let's get into the pressure, using pressure differently. Okay. You can see okay. So you can see the difference. Okay, this has even line, almost even. Okay, this has thick then thin, thick then thin. So this is how you draw. Actually, you don't always draw with similar pressure. Instead, you go like this. Let's see here. You can see me releasing my hand like this. This is how you apply pressure and release while drawing. Okay, now you apply the pressure. Okay, like this. And similarly here, you go like this. Okay, and now when you shade here, okay, let's see. You don't always draw like this. You go light, lighter, lighter, lighter. This is how you draw. Okay. Darker, lighter, lighter, lighter. Same thing applies here. You shade here very lightly. Okay. A little darker. Okay. And for this part, very lightly. Okay. This is how you use your drawing pencil. Okay. Similarly, very lightly here. Okay. Just touch. Okay. Very lightly here. Lightly here. Okay. Here a little more pressure. Okay. So the thing is, you apply pressure differently. Dark and light, dark, light, or light, dark, light, dark, dark, light, dark, light, dark. Okay. So now you understand that using a pencil for writing and using pencil for drawing are two different things. Okay. While writing, you don't care about the pressure, but you have to care about it while drawing or sketching. One thing I forgot to mention is, okay, let's draw here. You need an eraser while you're drawing with pencil. Okay. There's something called construction line. That's the right term, I guess. So let's say here I draw a man, a face like this. Okay. So here I don't have construction line. But let's see here. You can draw a circle and like this, okay, and then this, and this. So while drawing construction lines, you need to draw very lightly, okay. You don't draw. You cannot draw the construction lines very dark, yeah, because you have to erase them later. So now I have done the construction line. Now I can add the actual thing. Okay. Okay. Eyes. Okay. And here. Okay. So when you draw the actual drawing, actual thing, you apply the pressure. But when you draw the construction line, you don't apply the pressure. You apply it very lightly. Now we have to erase them. So you should be aware that you should draw the lines very lightly while drawing the construction lines. So that's pretty much for this video. I was just trying to tell you that drawing, using pencil for drawing is a bit different from using pencil while you write. Okay, so as a beginner, you should be aware of this fact, and you should first practice using pencil properly before you go to draw something beautiful. So in next video, I will talk more about how you can use different techniques for drawing. Till then, goodbye.